Ever had this weird moment? You talk about a product like sneakers, and a few minutes later, an ad for those exact shoes pops up on your phone. Just once, but again and again. Kinda creepy, right? But it's not your phone listening. It's your data working behind the scenes. Before we break it down, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I've seen it happen. Let's see how many of us have noticed this. Today, we're diving into how companies personalize ads using your data and what that really means for you. Let's keep it simple. When you go online, scroll social media, watch YouTube, shop, or search for anything, you're leaving behind tiny clues about who you are and what you like. Companies collect those clues to show you ads that are more relevant, more interesting, and honestly, more likely to make you buy. It's like they're saying, why show you random stuff when we can show you what you almost already want? For example, your friend sees ads for hiking gear. You see K-pop merch. Same app, different ads. Because the app knows your habits, what you like, what you shop for, and what grabs your attention. Let's talk about the actual stuff they track. Because it's a lot more than just your clicks. Here's the kind of stuff companies track: what you search for, what you watch, what you click on, what you like or share, your age, gender, and location, what time you're online, even how long you look at something. That's right. Just pausing on a photo or ad for a few seconds, that counts too. They build a profile of you, even if they don't know your name. It's like a digital version of you based on your behavior. You've seen that pop up. This site uses cookies, except cookies are small files websites save on your browser. They remember where you go, what you do, and what you like. Cookies help companies to keep you logged in. Remember what you added to your cart. Track how long you stayed on a page and know what you clicked after you left the site. Ever look at a product once, and then it follows you on every other site for days? That's called retargeting, and cookies make it happen. Now, collecting all that data is only part of it. The real magic happens with algorithms. Algorithms are like super smart formulas that study your data and try to predict what you'll do next. They ask questions like, what kind of stuff do you usually click? Do you stop and read or scroll past quickly? What do people like you usually buy? And then they match you with ads you're most likely to respond to. If you just watch 3 videos about traveling to Japan, don't be surprised when you see ads for flights, travel insurance, or sushi making kits. It's not a coincidence. It's a calculated move. This stuff is everywhere. Let's look at real examples. Amazon shows you items like the ones you browsed. Netflix recommends shows based on what you watched. Instagram or TikTok ads appear based on who you follow and what you engage with. In emails, you get discounts or product emails based on your past purchases. Ever look at a shirt once, then see it again 10 times? That's no accident. So, how do they even get all this data? There are 3 ways. First, you give it, like when you sign up, fill out forms, or shop. Second, they track it, using cookies, app activity, and more. Third, they buy it. Yep, companies sell and trade your data. There are businesses out there whose whole job is collecting and selling data, and they are called data brokers. Here's the debate. The good side is that you get ads that actually matter to you. You discover stuff you didn't even know you wanted. Less noise. More, oh, I like that. But on the bad side of it, your privacy takes a hit. You're being watched more than you think, and sometimes, it's just too much. Some people find it helpful, others find it super creepy. If you want to take back a bit of control, here are some tips. Clear cookies and history. Often, use private browsing or incognito mode. Limit app permissions, cause do they really need your location? Turn off ad personalization in your settings like for Google, Facebook, and others. Just be more aware of what you share. You don't have to disappear from the internet, but you can be smarter about what you let it learn about you. So now, you know. Next time you get an ad that feels a little too perfect, you'll know why. Companies are personalizing ads using your data, and now, you know how they do it. If you learned something new, drop a comment saying, "Now I get it." Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who always says, "Why does my phone know everything I think about?" Because now, you can explain it. Thanks for watching, see you next time.